Whether you want to dive into 3D printing as a hobby or use it to start a small business, you may not want to just spend hundreds or thousands of dollars right off the bat. Purchasing a beginner or budget-friendly 3D printer is a good way to get started, or, if you're an experienced maker, to build out your farm. There are many products available to choose from. Best budget 3D printers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Best budget 3D printer overall. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is simply the best budget FDM 3D printer you can buy today. It's an ideal beginner-friendly machine that is packed with deluxe features and retails at an affordable $199. The Ender 3v3 SE is easy to use, as it comes almost fully assembled and only took us 15 minutes to build before we were ready to get printing. Creality includes a printed manual to guide you through the building process, as well as installing or changing filaments. Video instructions are also available online for your convenience. With a maximum speed of 250 EIM/s, the V3 SE may not be among the fastest 3D printers around today, but it's faster than the Anycubic Cobra Neo. It's also smaller than the Cobra Neo, so it takes up less space, but it has the same build volume, 220x, 250x, 250mm, 50mm interface, with knob controls. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Best budget 3D printer for beginners. The Neptune 4 Pro is a great machine for new makers who are thinking of diving into 3D printing, or even as an additional printer for your business. With a mid-size build volume of 225x, 225x, 265mm, you can build and explore printing various neat projects. The Neptune 4 Pro requires some assembly, but it's not too complicated for a novice to handle. Similar to most bed slingers, it just takes a few easy steps, screwing a few bolts and connecting wires, and the unit is ready for printing. As an upgrade to the Neptune 3 Pro, this model is quite similar to its predecessor at first glance, but it is a better value for its high-speed performance, cooling capability, and sub-$300 pricing. Number 3. Bambu Labeo Mini. Best budget multicolor 3D printer. Some of the best things come in small packages, and this is so true with Bambulab's Ione Mini. This tiny machine is capable of producing nearly flawless multicolor models in record time. It can print at a maximum speed of 500 m/s and go toe-to-toe with its big brothers without breaking a sweat, thanks to its excellent input shaping. The Ione Mini is also packed with the premium features from Bambu Lab that we've come to expect. From automatic bed leveling, flexible PEI-coated build plate, easy-to-navigate smart menu, and it's all metal direct drive hose end that can reach up to 300 degrees. It comes almost fully assembled and makes it easy for new makers to put the rest together and start color printing right away. It's also a very quiet machine, so you can have a job running at odd hours or during a call and not even hear it working. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. The Cobra 3 is the first color combo 3D printer from one of the more budget-friendly manufacturers. It's a good machine with a lot of nice little features. It prints at a good speed, and the ACE color system is positioned flexibly. It also keeps the filaments secure and handles just about any filament roll you can throw at it. Models have been excellent, and the color system handles the color changes well, though the software does create a barrier. The software is the biggest barrier to the entire machine. I don't know why 3D printing companies invest so little time in slicer software given that it can make or break the experience. That said, Anycubic is working on a brand new slicer that may tip the scales back in their favor. Number 5. Soval SV6. The Soval SV6 has all the makings of a great option for those starting out with 3D printing, or those who want a cheap, reliable performer for rigid filaments. The cost is low, it has plenty of build volume, the build quality feels good, and there are many quality-of-life features, including automatic calibration routines, quiet operation, and consistent extrusion using a planetary-geared direct extruder. We tested the SV6 using default settings and profiles, and after a relatively small amount of tinkering, because there's always some tinkering, we got it to produce some quality results. The SV6 costs just $259, while a Prusa MK3S Plus will cost you a hefty $1,099 assembled. The Soval SV6 has dual Z-axis motors, automatic bed leveling, and a max temp of 300 DGC. It also has the added bonus of a slightly larger build volume, 220x 220x 250 mf, and an innovative planetary geared direct extruder. Number 6. FlashForge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is a desktop FDM 3D printer aimed at high-speed and reliable printing alongside out-of-the-box experience. With a durable, ergonomic, open-strain construction, the device offers a capacious build volume, impressive print speed, fully automated leveling, and fast startup in just 10 min. Given its user-friendly functionality, open material system, and wide creative possibilities, the machine is an ideal option for those new to 3D printing. To provide a streamlined experience for both beginners and advanced users, the Adventurer 5M is equipped with multiple quality-of-life features, including a quick-release nozzle system, filament runout reminder, power loss recovery function, easy-to-use magnetic bending platform, silent design, and intuitive interface. Due to its next-level print speed, increased accuracy and stability, cloud functionality, and user-friendly operation, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M is perfect for an ample range of personal and professional applications in various creative spheres, including modeling, prototyping, low-volume production, and more. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.